Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Here we go then, it's the prize draw for week 34 of the top commenter of the week. I really can't believe we're on week 34 already. How time really does fly. Firstly though, congratulations to the 5 winners in the monthly giveaway video. Like I say, there isn't going to be a monthly giveaway next month, however we are doing that huge Easter giveaway. And if there is any funds to spare, that doesn't mean that I won't be trying to get a giveaway going at the end of next month anyway. But the huge monthly giveaways will be back again in March. So we're going to count down the top 20. We've got Ridwan A on 10 points, a huge congratulations to you. That's along with Kai Kano, Butterbeans, Creeper 500 and Clara Roberts. 16th, a past champion Freddie Ash. 15th, we've got Andrew Watson. 12th, Andy Vickers, Triple Coins, Angus McBob. 11th is Jimmy Lacari. 10th, Big Boss. 9th, Judith L. 7th, Steve Yates. 7th, we've got IO87. 6th place, we've got Edward Pugh. In 5th, Dennis Fitzpatrick. 4th, Josh Glennon. And a 3-way tie for 1st, Wally Robson, Just Kano, and also Coin Lover 21. All of your names will go into the bowl then. The winner will be the first person drawn. Best of luck to you all. Who is going to be the top commenter of the week in week 34. So the name is picked then, and the winner then of the crown coin along with the 3 Peter Rabbits from the Beatrix Potter coin set is Just Kano. A huge shout out to you. Just as I bang my knee on the side there, well done Kano, a huge congratulations. Unlucky Wally Robson and Coin Lover 123. Hopefully next week will be your week. So then we need our 2 additional prizes. The 2 people to get drawn then from everyone that scored 1 point this week are going to get themselves onto that Coins of Easter list. Looks like I've got 2 here in one go, so these will be the 2. Best of luck again everyone, and like I say, that 1 point really does count. The first name then on that Coins of Easter list is going to be Joshua Piling, and the second name is Liam HQ. Again, a huge shout out to everyone that's taken part. Good luck, it is all going to start again at midnight tonight, so fingers on those buzzers. I hope you've all had a really nice weekend, guys. Stay safe, and as always, thanks for watching.